Imam Ali's quotes of wisdom.
What a difference is there between a deed whose pleasure passes away, leaving behind it the pangs of pain and punishment, and the deed whose oppressive harshness comes to an end, leaving behind divine rewards. Imam Ali was following a funeral, and as it was passing along a road, somebody laughed loudly, a sign of discourtesy and lack of manner. Hearing this laugh, Imam Ali remarked, "Some of us feel that death is meant for everybody except themselves, or it is destined to others, and not to themselves or those whom we see dying around us, are only travelers going on a journey and will come back to us.
It is a sad sight to see that in one moment we commit them to earth, and in the next we take hold of the things left by them, as if we are going to remain permanently in this world after them.
The fact is that we forget sensible advice given to us and become victim of every calamity. Jealousy in woman is unpardonable, but in man it is a sign of his faith in religion, because Islam has permitted polygamy and prohibited polyandry.